All right, guys, quick video and pics of the engine assembly in the 409 Cleveland. You can see the windage tray I got from my buddy Blake Livingston with an E. There's Alaina with her face mask so she doesn't get wrinkles. You can see the oil pump. I get that from Doug Griffo at Precision Oil Pumps. Talk to him for your oil pump needs. I also run his dry shaft and stud kit. There's a picture of the main girdle and the gasket ready for the oil pan. The Moroso 205/60 they don't make anymore, 9 quarts. Here's a picture of the heads. Let's see these things flowing some air and fuel at $8,000. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, Tim Halstead here. Back with another video. It's
Yep.
Izzy, Alaina, and Tim.
Hi, guys.
Tim the worker.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. All right, Alaina, you buzz that up. Perfect. You don't want to tighten it too much. Ready?
I feel black.
Yep, go ahead. Nope, easy now. Easy, easy. Yep, good. Just snug it up. You can go a little bit, just so it just touches. So that's 4. Then you come over here. Here's 5. Buzz her up there. Don't. Yep, nice and easy. Yep, bring her home. You go a little faster. You'll get the hang of it. Good, keep going. Good. Yep. Now it's this one. Good, that's 6. So then we go to 7.
7 up there.
Ooh, easy now. We don't want to go tighten them too much.
8.
8. Give her a little, yep. A little more. You can see when that bolt gets close to slow down. Good. 9. How about if I do that one? See?
One more, we're 10.
Here you go. Here.
10.
10 it is. Easy.
1,
Yep.
0.
Go ahead. You can go get a little gas.
10.
Like that. All right, so let's torque these. Stand back now. Fall over. So we already set the torque wrench to what? It's 38. So we do an order. They're all torqued in a certain order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So
We're on number uno. That is 1.
and it doesn't fit good because that valve spring retainer, the spring, so you just kind of got to go. Hold it down.
Bye-bye. You go work. Now.
Oops, sorry.
This is number 2.
Hang on, it is.
I'll go outside.
Okay.
I'm
Now
standing
what?
over here. No shoes. 3. Izzy wants us to go. 4. 5. 5. 6.
6.
And 7. Wait, 7's not here yet. 7. 7. It's 7 right now. 7.
8.
8. 9.
Oh, hi, hon.
10. 10 is the best.
There it is. All right, now we'll adjust the gauge.